Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming prerequisites: Node 16+, the Index Gas CLI, and a funded wallet. Now run the init command to create your config file and set the RPC URL. This tells Index Gas where to read blocks. Once done, add your API key and private key into environment variables so keys never live in source. You do this now so the indexer can authenticate and pull transactions immediately. Missing any step blocks the entire pipeline. Next, you configure what to capture and how. Open config. JSON and list contract addresses, events, and topics. This focuses the indexer and reduces gas-related noise. Then set block range, batch size like 1000, and concurrency so you balance speed versus API rate limits. Map event fields to your database schema and enable retry logic for transient RPC failures. Make these choices deliberately because they determine accuracy. Finally, run the indexer with the production command and watch logs to ensure blocks are processed and confirmations handled correctly. Make sure metrics show steady progress and that reorg protection is active so you don't store incorrect state. If the job stalls, first check RPC rate limits and wallet balance, then restart with the resume flag so you don't reprocess everything. One key troubleshooting tip: if you see missing events, verify topics and ABI mappings. Wrong ABI is the most common cause.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.